How to send text messages from Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to send the text messages from Android device, what you need is your messages application over here. I have Google Messages on my device, so I'm going to tap on it. And as you do that, you'll be landed on the user interface of Google Messages. Then here at the bottom you can see the option of Start Chat. So tap on Start Chat, and as you do that, you can see the contact list. So you can just select any of the contact that you would want to send the message to. So I'm going to select one of the contacts, and after selecting on that, you can see the message box over here. So just tap on any message over here. And then what you can do is simply tap on the send button over here, and you'll be able to send the text messages from your Android device. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.